Okay, 1, 6, and 9, we are writing these as a fraction or a mixed number in simplest form. And none of these are mathematically difficult as long as you know what you're going to do. What you're going to do is write it over 100. Drop the percent and write it over 100. And so this will reduce to 4/10, which will reduce to 2/5. 6, write it over 100. These are both divisible by 2, so I'm going to have 3 over 50. Write 220 over 100. I can drop one of my zeros. I get 22 over 10. Both divisible by 2, I get 11 over 5. Which will be 2 1/5. So again, to go from percent to fraction, you take your number without the percent and put it over 100 and reduce your fraction. Okay, then 11 through 13 and 15 have different instructions. This, they want me to take my percent and turn it into a decimal. So percent to decimal, move decimal 2 places to the left and drop the percent. So the percent which is not showing, or the decimal which is not showing right now, is sitting right there. So I'm going to move it 2 places to the left and drop the percent. Move it 2 places to the left and drop the percent. The decimal's there, move it 2 places to the left and drop the percent. The decimal's sitting there, move it 2 places to the left and drop the percent. So that's how you do that set. Okay, 22 through 24, we are going from decimal to percent. So we are doing the opposite of what we just did right here. So we're going to move the decimal 2 places to the right. And put in the percent symbol. So we're going to go 2 places to the right and put in the percent symbol. 2 places to the right and put in the percent symbol. 2 places to the right and put in the percent symbol. Now, I didn't have you do one, but what if you had something, well, in 26, they have 0.06. Move the decimal 2 to the right and put in the percent symbol, so it becomes 6%. Let's go on to the next. Okay, in 32, 33, and 34, we're going from a fraction to a percent. And what we're going to do is divide our fraction. Then we're going to move the decimal. And basically, we'll get a decimal, and we'll move the decimal 2 places right and put in the percent. So we're just taking one extra step of actually dividing the fraction. I gave you 3. 2 of the 3 were pretty straightforward. 23 over 100 is 0.23. So move the decimal 2 to the right and add in the percent, you get 23%. And you may have seen that from right here, because when we go from a percent to a fraction, we just write the number without the percent over 100. So you may recognize that as 23%. 1/4 is 0.25 as a decimal, so that would be 25%. Again, move the decimal 2 to the right and add in your percent symbol. 11 divided by 20 put in another 0, is 0.55. So move the decimal 2 to the right and put in a percent. And that's your homework check for 6-5.